session today. There is a small message from Amit. Just have a look once. Yes, good, right? Yeah, in this pandemic, now you got a good offer. Amit, I hope you can't see the remaining people messages because in the chat window only instructor can see. So just I want to show. Okay, I hope you can see now. Amit, can you please have a look once? Okay. Yes, I hope, Amit, now I hope you can see. Can you please check? Okay, Vidya, Manish, IPS, okay, Subhashini, Ram, all the people. Okay, even Amit is telling thanks for all. Okay, yeah, Amit, are you seeing these messages, right? Yes, the next set of messages, have a look once. Yes, good. Yeah. So it's a good thing. Just you told one word. Okay. Anyway, just after 2 or 3 minutes, I will just discuss. Because of you, I feel very motivated and keep on learning. Just I want. Can you please just tell 1 or 2 minutes about that so that it's really helpful even for me also to continue in the next level, because that thing will be ultimate, that thing will be required for everyone. Amit, just unmuting you, just 1 or 2 minutes, just whatever your feelings, happiness, can you please share with us? We want to listen from your mouth. Yeah, can you please unmute yourself, Amit, because it is self muted? Is it okay? Yes, Amit. Yeah, just I'm trying to unmute. Can you please try unmute yourself?
Yes. Mm.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. So can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. Can you please confirm the
Yeah.
remaining people? All the remaining
Yeah.
people are in the position to listen.
Thank you all.
Amit
Thank
bhai.
you for the lovely wishes. So actually, sir, I have gone through all your video like personality development and Java and these Linux video, whatever video you upload. So I feel like after going through, I feel very motivated and like I feel that I know everything. So nobody can reject me. So that is the reason I qualify all that interview.
Can you please repeat again that point? I want to catch some
Yeah,
words
because,
first.
whatever the video you uploaded, like personality development, Linux courses, Python, I have gone through all these video and Java. So I feel like very confident that I am like well prepared for that interview. So whatever they ask, if I don't know, but I give that answer logically, so they think like he knows. So that is the reason.
Yeah. Good. So you are in the, even you don't know the answer, you are in the position to manage.
Yes, 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 sir.
Can you please tell one example how you manage it?
So they generally what they ask interviewer will never ask that straight question. So sometimes they will give some scenario and whatever like I learn from that videos or okay. So I give that in that I try to like give the answer in this kind of situation. So they understand and they think that he knows he can solve the problem.
Excellent. What is
So,
your total experience?
so I am having 9 years of experience.
9 years. Earlier, how
Yeah.
much your package?
So my package was like 19, 18, 18,
90,
almost 18.
18.
Yeah, yeah,
18 lakhs. Now it will
yeah.
be moved to 23 lakhs. Correct,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. Mhm. What is your skill set? Some people are asking. What is your
So,
skill
sir,
set means? Yeah.
yeah. I usually like work on that Spark part, Spark and this Scala, Python. So these are the main MongoDB. Currently, I'm learning, so I put this skill in my resume that I know MongoDB, HBase, and that Hive side. So big data field I work usually. So I put
Okay.
this, and when I put like Python, Scala. So like whatever they ask in like Scala, so I give that program in Python only. So they know
Okay.
he know. Yeah.
Yeah, you are more comfortable with the Python. That's why even they are asking about anything, your answer is always with respect to the Python.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, yes, you are strong in Python.
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, good thing. So next, I mean, your next work interview happened purely on Spark, Scala, next these kind of
So,
areas only, right? Linux is it
yes,
how
sir.
it is Linux is useful?
And Linux is very useful. Like if like it is like for real time, it is very recommended to like go each and every one for real time. So because I learn new things, I know that Unix shell is scripting, but like after going your courses, so I know like the way you explain all the things, like it is like I will remember all the time. But earlier, what I have to look into that Google and I have to search and then I try to write the script. But now, like it's like easy for me to
Okay,
write the program. Yeah.
okay. Have you faced any questions from Linux area?
Linux, yeah, Linux area. Sometime like he asks one question like what is that like if some command is executed successfully, so dollar question mark something, and some like a set command editing like Steam editor command. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, good. You faced some questions from Linux area also. Correct,
Yes,
right?
yes, they ask sir from Java like they like Java in one of my interview he was asking like multiple inheritance. So I know that Python, Java and Scala. So I said that in Java Scala it is not possible, but in Python we can implement multiple inheritance.
Okay, okay, excellent. So that is
Yeah.
even whenever even we discuss in our Python sessions, most of the times I compare with the Java.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah, Java, why multiple inheritance is not possible, but in Python, how beautifully they implemented the order
sir.
of declaration, like some what we discussed, right? Correct.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and one more thing, like before like going for an interview, so never like lose your confidence. Just know that I am the superior, so then it will be easy for you to give the answer.
Correct. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So even they're asking any question, yes, I know I can manage that confidence level. Sometimes what will happen is it will make what we call successful in our life. Okay, definitely we are going to succeed. So our knowledge is enough. You should have that confidence. Yeah, good. That confidence makes so create this offer. I hope.
Yes,
Hmm?
yes, sir.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for
Yeah.
your like
Good thing.
guidance. Yeah,
Next,
thank you,
one
sir.
more small thing. All these things are
Uh,
related to technical terminology. Okay,
yes.
Durga sir is
Uh,
specialized for Linux, Java, Python.
yeah.
Okay, Git
Mhm.
like that. But now my question is, sir, I impressed, just motivated, keep on learning from personality development sessions like. I had
Uh-huh.
one I have some feeling, sir, being technical trainer, why I have to do these type of personality development sessions, like I have bigger doubt in my mind sometimes. Okay, now,
Yeah.
so I hope
Yeah.
I hope yes, it is helpful in all my
Sir.
personality development sessions. Okay, just one
Hmm.
minute. In all my personality development sessions, which points connected more with you?
So, sir, like in the yesterday session, like you said that, like that what uh, you said, sorry, you said in the yesterday session, like keep happy on something, like don't be like uh, so sadness or something. So it is like very like yesterday session was very fruitful.
Okay.
If you will, yeah, because at the end of the day, everything will be end. Okay, so like after
Yes.
30 days or 40, after 30 year or 40 year, like no,
Everything will be completed in our life.
yes, sir. Yes. So better to be happy and like enjoy the time. If you are
Exactly.
learning, then enjoy it. Yeah.
Exactly. We should not miss happiness in our life. correct,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Because the
Yes,
life
yes.
won't wait for us. Okay,
Yeah.
so some 1 or 2 days before I saw one statement, to to be happy, you are not required to be rich. Okay, happiness will
Correct, sir.
come at a free of cost. Somewhere we saw. Good, good, good. Yeah. So a
Yeah.
big congratulations, Amit. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
It is
Thanks a lot.
it is a
Thanks
big,
you all.
yeah, yeah, it is a big motivation for us also. So we are I'm very happy to listen this type of success stories from the remaining also soon. Okay, if you achieve something, please share with us. We will celebrate in the session.
Yeah.
Amit,
Yes.
Amit,
Yes, sir.
can you
Yeah.
please paste your address in our chat window, or otherwise to
Yeah.
our mail? I want to send a gift for you.
Yes.
Because it's my
Sure, sir.
pleasure.
Sure, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Thank
Okay,
you.
brother. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Day is there for us, some day is there for us. Okay, so definitely our position is always good. So Durga sir, do you know my position is always good, even you can't reach me after few years. Getting even you can't reach me after few years, that position I'm going soon. Okay. Yeah, yeah, that feeling creates a big happiness in my mind, man. Yeah. So suppose if you want to meet Narendra Modi, you can't easily, you can't meet that much easily. Okay, you can't reach. Yeah, definitely someday Durga sir also will be in that position. Yeah, just think once. Some just I'm kidding, but anyway, our ambition, our at least in the dreams, we have to fulfill all our required things. Then in reality, the things will come. That's why. So whenever you are getting the chance, okay, to dream yourself, don't miss that. Okay, you are having some ambitions, right? I want to become so prime minister of India, or I want to become CEO of software company. I want to become okay, some big multi-millionaire, something like something like you people are having some ambitions in your mind, correct, right? Whatever ambitions are there. Okay, do you have such type of ambitions in your mind? Anyone? Yeah, the things which are going to if you just if it is going to be happen, then how you are going to feel a big pleasant kind of thing, correct, right? Yes, big pleasant kind of thing. You have some you have such type of ambitions in your mind, right? So if you are getting the chance, okay, you have to dream that, yes, I reached that position. Okay, so usually sometimes what will happen is I will go to the park. I will study the new things. If I'm feeling bored, what I will do is I will dream myself, yeah, I'm reached that position. I reached that position. How much happy my mind, my soul, my body is feeling very happy, because whatever I want, I reached that position. Okay, like if you are going to visualize like that, in reality someday definitely is going to be, yeah, definitely it is going to, you are going to be, you are going to reach that level, or you are going to get that whatever you want. Okay, the person who is having the dare to dream yourself, yes, I reached that position. Okay, yes, I reached that position. Okay, like celebrate, like celebrate. Don't worry. Arey, if you are going to celebrate that, if you are going to celebrate that, the remaining people may feel something bad. Okay, like no, don't forget about the opposite people. Okay, they're always going to feel, even you achieved also, their words, their mindset never going to be changed. Okay, don't worry about others. So think about yourself, remember that. Okay, so just what I did is, Saturday sir, in the 2020 or 2025, I want to go to that position. Okay, so just I'm giving today the party, because I'm going to reach that by 2025. Yeah, how beautiful. Have you observed, right? Sometimes my celebrations are surprise for my team members. Arey, sir, arey, why you are just I will ask my one of my admin person, arey, admin, what's your dreams like? Sir, my dream is I want to own house. Then automatically tomorrow, can you please give the party? Tomorrow, can you please give the party? Because just within 6 months or 1 year, you are going to buy a new house, right? So today I want party. Today I want celebration. Even if he's not willing to celebrate, I will celebrate that in my office, saying, yes, so and so person, just within 6 months, is going to be the owner of new house. That's why I'm giving the party. Yeah, how feel? Can you please imagine once? If from the heart, from the mind, from the soul, whatever you want, if you are going to wish something very strongly, if you want something very strongly, definitely universe is always going to provide for you in reverse. But the only thing, if the universe, if the universe, if the environment is not providing, means you don't want that much strongly. Believe me that, sir, in any case I want that, in any case I want that. Mandatory, if you strongly, if you are going to what if you want, sir, I want to be okay, like if you are very much strong, automatically the universe is going to provide in reverse for you. Okay, this is n number of books, including the secret also, n number of books is telling the same. Of course, books are telling or not, yes, I felt, I have personally, I used this secret multiple times. Remember that today, if your mind okay, today if you are very happy, double that happiness by giving a small party, by giving by doing a small celebration in your house. Okay, so and so we are going to reach that level, so and so we are going to reach, we are going to we are going to reach that level, or we are going to buy that property, or we are going to do that. Okay, like, yeah, if you celebrate, how many celebrations you are going to celebrate, definitely the chance of success in your the chance of success of that particular thing is going to be more. Believe me, sir. Okay. Give the sudden surprises, sudden surprises in your house by celebrating small things. Really, friends, believe me, this secret definitely is going to succeed. Okay, sir, I want a job, I want a job. Okay, I didn't get the job, assume that I didn't get the job. Okay, then what you can do here, celebrate in your house, give the small sweet packet and then share. Okay, are why you are sharing this one? Very soon I'm going to get good job, that's why I'm sharing this celebration today only. Yeah. Yeah, you may feel, the opposite person without getting the job, this person is celebrating, that person don't know, definitely someday we are going to get the job. Okay. Getting right? So that's what the person, yeah. Okay, so this is the bigger problem with the, this is the bigger problem with the, okay, they will say she got mad. Okay, if she's distributing sweets because she got the job, she is going to get the job soon. She's if they are going to feel, opposite person is going to feel she got mad, something like so this person not having the dare to dream to get the job, that is the bigger problem. Yeah, getting the point? Yes, she's not having the dare, okay, to dream like so means she's not willing, I mean she's not she don't she's not expecting the job very strongly, then she never going to get the job. Are getting right? Okay, this is, you should have dare to celebrate, you should have dare to dream, then automatically you should have dare to dream, then anything you are going to achieve in your life. Remember, just identify in the next 6 months or next 1 year, I want to do this, just only one line. Okay, only one line. Okay, just you can celebrate that multiple times, automatically certain day, definitely it is going to come. Even your surrounding people also, are this person is feeling mad about his job, god, can you please provide job for him, like even the remaining people also is going to request for us. Yeah, getting right? Celebrate. Okay, whatever you want, celebrate. Definitely someday that thing is going to come to you. Okay, you are going to capture that, I'm sure. Okay, but anyway, so something like possible things in your expectation, impossible things don't keep. Okay, impossible things don't keep, possible things you have to something which is going to be happen in reality, such type of things only we have to do. Okay, expecting job, yes, possibility is there. Okay, marrying a good girl, possibility is there. Okay, possibility is there. Okay, like next, buying a new house, possibility is there. Buying a dream car, possibility is there. Okay, buying a dream car, possibility is there. Like so, sir, I want to become again 10 years old kid. Sorry, not possible. Okay, such a type of things don't celebrate. Getting right? Yeah, such a type of things don't celebrate. The things which are going to be possible. Okay, your words thinking about them, definitely certain day it's going to come. Just day before yesterday, I had one small experience. Just my making Sunny your girlfriend not possible. Don't celebrate. Yeah, IPS correct. Sunny is already wife of Daniel. Okay, if you are going to ask Daniel, Sunny, I want, he's going to give left and right. Okay, don't. The things which are going to be possible. Okay, like those are things only you want to do that. Okay, sir, just my car, I have two cars are there with me. One is Innova is there, the second one is EcoSports is just for small journeys. Next Innova is there, my thing. Okay, like sir, what Ford EcoSport is there, right? Then just my friend, one of my student come trainer in Durgasoft, come my friend. Okay, like he made a call, sir, Innova you have to, so you have to go for new thing. So today one of my friend uncle, okay, he took what we call Fortuner. Okay, Fortuner. Okay, like he took Fortuner, what we call some legendary or something like a legendary, something like it came into the market. Anyone, can you please aware this one? Ford, okay, legender, what is that? Anyone aware this? Legend or something like Fortuner, not Ford, sorry. Fortuner. Yeah, Fortuner Legender. Have you observed, right? This is he took this one, sir, almost around 37 lakhs and so on. He took this one. Then automatically, sir, this is this one. Why don't you take Innova? Days already gone. Like then automatically I told, oh, if it is the case, so just have a look once. Toyota, okay, Toyota welfare, welfare. Can you please have a look once? Yeah, Toyota welfare. Have a look once. This is something like Innova. This is something like Innova. More comfort, more luxury kind of thing. Okay, more comfort, more luxury kind of thing. Why don't you? So just have a look once. Have a look once. If we can buy this one, then automatically, including car, we will get more more including car, we will get more happiness, more comfort, more luxury also. Why don't you try this one? I'm planning to take this one. Like then immediately saw the price. Okay, almost it's a price is so 87 lakhs to 1 crore, almost around 87 lakhs, 86 86.98, 87 lakhs around. Okay, so why don't you take this one? Why don't you take this one? What is the need of Fortuner? Like, have you observed, right? Have you observed? So if I have this word in my mind, if I'm using multiple times, just believe me, sir, within 6 months to 1 year, so this vehicle is going to be my own, I'm sure. Getting right? Because already this word I used in the last 3 days or 4 days, so minimum 10 times. I used this word minimum 10 times. Minimum 10 times. I used this word. Then automatically it is injecting in my subconscious mind. Remember this one, sir. It is injecting in my subconscious mind. So next, already I aware the price of this one also, right? Already I aware the price of this one also, right? Then automatically my mindset, my mind mentally preparing for that. Observe the word. Have you observed? Even I'm telling this one for you people. So my mindset, okay, sir, my body, my mindset, everything, my financial situations, all the things, mentally preparing towards that, because I'm using repeatedly this vehicle name. Getting the point? Are you using my Sir, observe, if you are going to tell, so just I'm sharing in my class officially for my students. I told to my friend, I told to one of my another friend, okay, like, so if I'm keep on, then automatically 3 times or 4 times, if I'm going to tell, definitely certain day, yes, I will reach this, I will own this car. Okay, need not be the car, sir, anything. If you want strongly, then definitely universe is going to provide. Okay, that dare you should have. Getting right? Are you in the position to understand the secret? Okay, whatever you want, definitely it is going to be, definitely it is going to be fulfilled. But only thing is you want that thing very strongly. Sir, you didn't get that, then you won't, you are not, I mean, you didn't get that means, you didn't want that much strongly. Simple rule. In any case, sometimes, do you know, sometimes the people are going to use the word, yes, I want this one very, I want this one, I want this one. Sir, just namesake you want, or otherwise very strongly you want. Yes, very strongly I want, sir. Okay, so definitely I'm going to do promise, I'm going to do pratidna, something like, I don't know English equivalent English word. So I'm giving the word definitely. So by within 6 months, I'm going to take this one, I'm going to own this one, I'm going to, like, if you from the heart, from your soul, from your mind, very strongly whatever you are going to wish, definitely that thing is going to be happen. Remember this one, sir, that thing definitely is going to be happen. But only thing is, so you have to believe that it is going to be happen. You require to believe that it is going to be happen. So that feeling you should have. Are you getting? Next, to tell that you should not feel shy anywhere. Array, without having this one, how this person is going to be, how this person is telling, this one is going to be happen. Okay, so opposite people may feel something bad, like, no, no. Okay, like, yes. So whatever you want in your life, better to keep, better to wish that, it is happened multiple times. It is happened multiple times. Okay, like, so you have to dream yourself. Certain day in reality, it is going to be happen. Getting right? So there are few words. If you want anything strongly, if you want anything strongly, if you want anything strongly, definitely it will provide. Definitely it will be provided. It will be provided from universe. Okay, from universe, or otherwise universe will provide that, definitely, sir. If you want anything strongly, definitely it will be provided from the universe, sir. Remember this, sir. Remember this one, sir. So if you didn't get, if you didn't get means, you didn't want strongly. Okay, you didn't want strongly. Okay, you didn't want strongly. Of course, grammatical mistakes please ignore. Okay, like, don't worry. So still I didn't get, sir. Array, you didn't want that much strongly. Okay, or you are, okay, celebrate. Okay, dream yourself, it is happened, it is happened. Dream yourself, it is happened. How many times, how many times, you are going to dream, how many times, you are going to dream. Okay, uh, that that how many times you are going to dream, definitely that much possibility is there, that much possibility is there. Okay, possibility is there, to get that. Okay, to get that. That's why celebrate yourself. Okay, in your family, suppose your mother is always asking, your wife is always asking, when we are going to buy a new house. Okay, today better to bring a small, okay, sweet packet, better to share. So just convey, very soon we are going to buy a new house. Very soon we are going to buy a new house. Celebrate. Then automatically what will happen, that wish is going to be registered very strongly in your mind. Your words, your words, your financial things, all these things will move automatically towards that. Getting right? A big secret for you people, don't miss this. Try, definitely you are going to succeed. but only thing is dare to dream. This is the very, very important. Okay, dare to celebrate. Dare to celebrate prayer. The people who are not having the dare to dream, dare to celebrate prayer. The people who are not having dare to dream, dare to celebrate prayer, these people are not eligible to get that. Okay, remember that. Okay, dare to dream, dare to celebrate, dare to tell, dare to tell. Are you getting? Dare to tell such a type of. If you are going to keep on telling about one point, definitely it's going to come in our life. Remember that. That's why you should, whenever you are getting the time, better to dream about that. Better to dream about that. Something is, that thing is happened reality. Then your mind, your body is always with full happiness, full energy. Okay, like that happiness, that energy, that pleasant feeling automatically brings that. Okay, to own that. Remember that. Have you observed, right? Told multiple times at this type of point. Okay, celebrate whatever you want, whatever. If you want anything strongly, definitely the universe will provide. Definitely the universe will provide. Okay, you're just please observe what is this one. If you want to glow like a sun, sorry, dare by mistake, sir. Dare to tell. Okay, if you want to glow like a sun, you should burn like a sun. Okay, like something, of course, if you want to glow like a sun, if you want to glow like a sun, okay, you should burn like a sun. Okay, that may be Abdul Kalam wo. If you want to, if you want to glow like a sun, if you want to glow like a sun, okay, glow like a sun, so want very strongly. Want very strongly, automatically the things will come. Automatically the things will come. Will come. This is from Durga. Getting right? Okay, this is automatically the things will come. The only thing is want very strongly. Okay, you, so if you are using this word, oh, I have to burn like a sun, then only I will become sun. No, this is a negative energy is going to spread in this word. Okay, yeah, I have dare to cross APJ Abdul Kalam word also. Don't worry, because I didn't feel you should burn like a sun. Okay, no, I don't want. I don't you should burn like a sun. I mean, burn like a sun means with that desire you have to burn. That's about maybe his intention. Correct, Erivala. Okay, you should burn like a sun. No, you should have burning desire. That maybe you should have burning desire. Correct, getting right. Okay, yeah, that's what burning desire. Hard work, like no hard work is required. Don't worry that much. No hard work, I won't believe the hard work. Okay, because it is a very hard to do, man. Hard work, very hard to do that. Okay, that's why I won't believe this word. Very hard to do, very hard work. Okay, we should be very smart enough, software engineers, right? Okay, please take hard word is not that much good. Hard work, no, don't use burning. Okay, like just decide, better to keep in your mind. Okay, whatever the work you are going to do with love, affection, to feel very happy, to feel very to achieve something, to achieve something, like definitely that thing is going to bring you people. Remember that. That's my so here, if you have, suppose here, your dream is, I want to buy my own dream house. Assume that dream house. Okay, like dream house. Now my question is, or I want to go to America. Okay, some people may, person to person desire is going to be changed. Or I want to become CEO of some software company, CEO of some software company, something like here. Just observe that, you just question yourself. If you are having your own dream house, then automatically just feel that you have that every facility is there in that house. Then your mind, your body is going to feel very happy or not. Okay, assume that this is your dream. Assume that some people may have this dream. Assume, just dream yourself, yes, I have my house, my own house, where every facility is there. So if you are going to think like that, then automatically happiness by default will be there. Happiness by default will be there in your mind. Correct time? Happiness by default will be there in your mind. Assume that you have already happiness will be there. Okay, to make that happiness permanently, whatever work you are going to do, that work, you never going to feel that it is a hard work. Okay, you are doing the work to fulfill your happiness. You are doing the work to fulfill your happiness. Are you getting right? To reach, to get your happiness, then you people are going to do with love, with more affection, with more interest. It will never be the very hard work, something like, no. Getting right? Okay, whatever you want, definitely it's going to come. Don't worry at all. So please make sure you should have strongly you want that. Your strong desire definitely is going to make that clear, right? Okay, anyone having the dreams? Can you please paste in one line what is your dream? Yeah, correct, Viraj. That's about my intention of telling this word. Yes, I hope you captured my point clearly. Yes, Viraj is telling wonderful point. Sir, if we love our work, it will never be hard work. Yes, yes. If really enjoy the work, day and night we are going to do that. Can you please tell in a single line what is your strongest, happiest point? Can you please tell? Okay. Yes. Can you please, sir? This is my dream, sir. Whether I'm going to do or not. Can you please type once? The people who are not having the dare to type your dream, you are not eligible to get. Yeah, okay, you are not eligible to get that. The people who are not having the dare, okay, to type, you are unfit, you are not eligible. You are not expecting strongly. Big businessman, having company, home, something like, yeah, one person. I'm not spell out your names, don't worry at all. Okay, next, okay, this is just the people who are having their dreams. Richest person earn more and more money. Okay, so here just good. Can you please, if the person who is feeling shy to type is a desire, don't. So you in your life you never going to get, I'm sure. Okay, I want to earn crore money and good health. Excellent, excellent. Okay, here just observe carefully. Okay, now sir, my dream to drive Volvo travel bus at least one time in my life. Excellent, excellent. Yes. Okay, so financial freedom is your big thing. Next, to gain everything which is top and unreachable for me. Excellent. So here, yeah, I will tell. So just I will spend some time on these things. Don't worry at all. Just I will. Okay, I want to earn crore already to become rich. Okay, to become rich, someone is asking to become rich. Okay, Canada plus good job, being happy, make others happy too. Happy too. Big bun bungla, right? What is that, Amit? What is that, Amit? Can you please type again? Popular businessman, something like, yeah, popular businessman. 1 minute. Big bangla, like a popular businessman. Yeah, just observe. Everyone having the dreams in their life. Okay, yes, here just observe that. Yeah, excellent. Now I'm not spell out your names, don't worry at all. Okay, yes, having personal military, yes, some solve financial problems too. Okay, like whatever there. Okay, you can expert in my area, big bangla. I want to have all these things which are posted by you. Expert in my subject area, want to travel whole world. Okay, something like, yeah. So maybe just one minute, like observe carefully, right? Okay, observe. Of course, dot dot dot. There are several are there, sir, because not in a position to type everything. Okay, like observe carefully, right? Okay, several things are there. Okay, sir, here observe that. Okay, here observe. My dream to achieve good software job. My dream to achieve good software job. Okay, so big businessman having company home, like, okay, richest person earn more and more money. I want to earn crores of money. Okay, like crore money, good health. Sir, my dream is to drive Volvo travel bus at least one time in my life. Financial freedom to gain everything which is the top and unreachable for me. Okay, like, yeah, this one is the person who typed this one. Can you please, who is your, what your name? Please confirm what your name. Yeah, here just observe that you are not having, you are not, Vidya, you are not having exactly what you want. Getting right? First you have to work on that. Okay, you are not having first, you are not having exactly what you required. Exactly what you required. Everything means, no, you should have some clarity. Have you observed, right? Big businessman, richest person, I want to earn crore. Okay, something like, I want to earn crore, something like, yes, have you observed? This is which is the top and unreachable. No clarity in your thoughts, then the universe is not going to provide. Okay, you are not asking clearly. That is the bigger problem. Okay, can you please retype again your statement, Vidya? Universe is not willing to provide for you because you are not having the clarity what you require. Yeah, please retype again what you want. I want to have my own software company, excellent, to become very rich, Canada plus good job. Okay, so like, yeah, now here just take very carefully about these words, right? Okay, so just my sincere suggestion for you people, right? My sincere suggestion for you people, right? What you can do is, okay, can you please close your eyes and imagine once, need not be now, whenever you have the free time. If you really achieved that, if you really achieved that, how much happy your mind, your soul, can you please imagine once your body? Yeah, yes, friends, have you observed how much happy, happy? Okay, like, you are pleasant, do you know, if you are going to imagine, automatically your mind is going to become automatically very happy, right? Okay, that permanent happiness, if you require, if you really imagine, if you really imagine that, then automatically what will happen? You are ready to do anything in your life to reach that level. Okay, first enjoy that happiness in your dreams. Remember this one. If you are going to enjoy multiple times in your dreams, then the success, to reach that, automatically we are, today I visualize once, Array, I want my own house, I should be stay in my own house. Then automatically how much beautiful, or otherwise I want to become CEO of the company, then automatically almost 1 lakh 2 lakh members are there in my company. Okay, I'm the owner of that company. Crores of money, okay, is the turnover, millions, billions of dollars is my turnover. Like, if you are going to visualize whatever you want, add that in your dreams, if you start enjoying in your dreams, then in reality someday definitely it's going to be happen. Getting the point? Yeah. So whenever you have the time, sometimes, do you know, I'm always, Array, what you are going to do? What, Durga, where are you going? Just simple answer I will tell. I'm going to the park. Array, for which purpose? I will sit under some tree. Array, what I want to do? I want to dream myself. Are you getting right? I want to dream myself. I want to dream myself. What I want to do? I want to dream myself. If you are going to keep on dreaming, definitely it's going to be successful someday. Okay, because your words, your financial, all the things are going to move towards that only. Remember that automatically will, we are not required to do special work, automatically will do that, sir. That is the beauty, that is the beauty what you people should aware. Okay, getting right? Are you in the position to understand my word? Okay, so today onwards, better to get a time to dream yourself. Okay, have a thing. So next, I'm telling, sir, I want to become big businessman. This is my work. This is my ambition. Okay, like what you can do is, I'm going to be. I'm very happy. I'm very happy because here just I'm very happy, very happy because I am going to be a big businessman, a big businessman, a big businessman. Okay. Can you please write this statement with the big bold letters on the paper? Better to paste just where you are going to sleep, just beside on the wall or something like. Sir, just how many times you are going to say this statement? That much nearer, nearer to this position. That's what I'm going to tell. Are you getting? Next, again I'm telling, the person who is not having the dare to write on the paper, the person who is not having the dare to tell about this one, I'm going to achieve this one to in the next future. Okay, the person who is not having the dare to dream, not having the dare to tell, not having the dare to write, this person not eligible to achieve that. Getting the point, right? Okay, I told, right, you should have very strong desire. Yes, definitely I'm going to do that. So not word, in Telugu we can use the word pratidna. Even in Hindi also this word is there. Okay, create, right? Okay, sankalpam. Yeah, the strong desire, definitely. Okay, just there is one small story I will tell, so that you people can get much clarity, right? Okay, so that you may get how this logic is going to work somewhere. Do you know the secret book? Anyone read that secret? Yes, friends, secret book. Anyone read? Okay, even Eruvala Nag also shared, he sent a gift for me for the new year, sometimes. Yeah, there is one small story is there, just I will tell. There is one person is there like you, man. Okay, like you, there is a person is there. He's he want to earn $1 lakh in this year. That's about his target. Okay, $1 lakh, 1 lakh. This was happened olden days, don't worry. $1 lakh these days is very easy, just hardly 70 lakhs or 1 crore around per year, nothing. So like you, I want to earn. Okay, I want to earn $1 lakh, $1 lakh this year. This is just he want like that. But what this person did here, every time is expecting, but nothing is not going to be fulfilled. So someone suggested, Array, 1 lakh rupee check, create on your name, create on your name, and where you are sleeping. So on the wall, can you please paste? Okay, while sleeping, just while seeing that $1 lakh check, better to sleep. Means if you are sleeping on the bed, just on the top floor. Okay, if while see if you are in sleeping stage, you have to see that. Okay, like better to paste that big check. Okay, on the roof, better to paste a big check. So on your name, $1 lakh. So on the paste on the roof, and while sleeping, better to keep on and imagine you are going to get 1 lakh dollars in this year. Like you are going to imagine and then go to the sleep. Okay, like this person, someone suggested him. Then automatically that innocent person, without objecting anything, he did the same. Okay, legend, he did the same. Definitely believe. Okay, believe that definitely you are going to achieve, you are going to earn $1 lakh in this year. Like believe, someone suggested like me. Okay, to that person, then automatically he pasted on his name $1 lakh check on the roof. Every day he's seeing, array, 1 month completed, nothing happened. Nothing happened. 1 month completed, nothing happened. 2 months completed, nothing happened. 3 months completed, nothing happened. But he's always thinking how to earn $1 lakh, how to earn $1 lakh, but I'm not getting any opportunity. How I can, what is the way? Like keep on thinking about that only. Okay. So some people may use the word, he may become mad, something like, okay, he's keep on thinking. So after 3 months, suddenly he got some idea. Arey, I wrote some book. Few years ago. If I publish this book, each book just at $5, $5. If I can, if I $4, $4. If I sell just okay 25,000 books, 25,000 books, automatically I will get 1 lakh rupees, right? Automatically I will get 1 lakh rupees, right? 1 lakh dollars, right? Yeah, like suddenly some moment, suddenly he got that idea. Wow, array, I got the idea. Okay, to get 1 lakh, why don't you miss this? Like where he wrote some book. Where is that document? He opened the locker and he bring out with the, he approached one publisher, sir, this is the book I will give. If you are interested to publishing, I will give the some finishing touch in the most beautiful way. Please hello, please publish this book. Okay, like so once there is some way to reach your dream, then automatically you are going to do that work very very happily, very carefully. Like then automatically he wrote that book in the more he did some patches kind of thing for that book. Now that book sir came into the beautiful form. Then what the publisher did is he published the book. Okay, that year he earned $95,000. Yeah, almost he reached that position or not? Then what this person did is, Arey, for $1 lakh it worked. Why don't you try for $10 lakh? Are you getting? Why don't you try for $10 lakh? Like next check, he pasted $10 lakh. Very fortunate. In his first time, he got $10 lakh check on his name for the next book. Wow. The publisher told one point, sir, in my life, I'm writing a check with the $10 lakh in my life first time only for you, sir. That statement also that person used for this author. Yeah. Have you observed, right? Okay. This is not my story. This story is already available in the secret book. The secret book, total book talks about the same. Getting right? That's fine. Better to keep a big paper, whatever your dream, better to paste on the roof where you are sleeping. So while sleeping, better to dream that. So if it is going to happen in reality, how much happiness for me? How much happiness for me? Like you have to enjoy that happiness in your dreams. Then in reality, definitely it's going to be happen. Getting my point? Are you in the position to understand? Okay, so better to get time to dream your goals, to dream your goals which are going to make very happy for you. And if you are going to fulfill, if you are going to enjoy in your dreams, someday definitely the environment, the universe is going to show the way to reach that level. Strong desire must be sankalpa, strong sankalpa must be required. Okay, then you are eligible to enjoy that. Okay, now observe, big businessman, lakhs of crores of businessmen are there. So why don't you become man? Crores of businessmen are there. Okay, if crores of businessmen are there across the world, then you also reach that level. Read the success stories of the big businessmen. Okay, then automatically you will get the way. Okay, how they reached. So just Infosys Narayan Murthy is there. Okay, big businessman. He started he's a software company in a kitchen room. Are you getting? He started his company in a kitchen room. Now how this person reached that level? Better to get any book or otherwise any video on his name, then automatically try to get that. Array, Bill Gates is there. Just 10th class or intermediate discontinued person is the Bill Gates. How this person reached? How these many years? How this person, sir, as the number one richest person in the world? What secret? What things he followed? Better to copy paste. Getting better to copy paste. Dhirubhai Ambani is there. How he did is so what we call his kingdom. How he started his kingdom. How he established his kingdom. Like Ratan Tata, like open the books, open the books, open the books. Their biography stories are there. Like open the books and read. So you, from where is the breaking point for them? Where is the turning point for them? Okay, then you require to talk about. You require to think about that turning point. Automatically certain day it will come. It is not big businessman. It is never a big. It is never a be unreachable thing. Remember that, because crores of people already reached. What there you also will become. Now you will 1 crore, 1th person you will become. What there, man? Okay, like next richest person. I told, right? Same thing. Next I want to earn crore. Good health. Yes, obviously. I hope my dream is to drive Volvo travel bus. Volvo travel bus at least one time in my life, in my life. Okay, like yeah, it is a small dream. Okay, like do you know in India lakhs of Volvo travel buses are there. Okay, lakhs of Volvo travel buses are there. Okay, just you can approach any travel bus person, any travel bus person. Arey, I'm eligible, I know driving very well. Just any known person, just a few minutes, I want to drive something, like you can ask. It is not a big deal. Okay, like it's a small thing. Anyone can achieve this one, sir. Financial freedom. Okay, so this person who is facing this one, I hope he's having some financial problems these days. He's facing some financial problems. Better to list out problem 1, problem 2, problem 3, problem 4. So how you can reduce the severity of the problem? Okay, just how you can come out is the easy way. Okay, is easy way, like you have to analyze, you have to approach some expert persons. Sir, these are the problems, can you please suggest something? Okay, I told right in the last video, sir, this is your problem, can you please contact 4 or 5 persons of your friends, are this problem, can you please tell the way how I can come out? Yes, definitely some person is going to provide good suggestion. Okay, like some person is going to provide good suggestion. If you are having some that taking suggestion from others, someone is going to provide your unexpected view also. That view may solve your problems, don't worry at all. Suppose here, if you borrow the money from somewhere with some high interest rate, okay, so better to get from the bank with a low interest rate and fulfill and slowly convert your the total big problem into installment problem, something like you can do that. Okay, like I want to have one software company. Yeah, crores of software companies are there in the world. Crores of people already achieved this one. Why don't you achieve, man? Okay, you can do that. Small software company, private limited company registration is a matter of 20,000 rupees only. Yeah, Durga Soft India Private Limited registration is 20,000 to 25,000. Okay, better to approach some company who is already having the projects. Better to get small sub projects from them. Okay, like are what they are doing, better to analyze. So the key person is there, he's getting some 50 lakhs there as the salary, better to offer 75 lakhs. Then can you please establish my kingdom, like you can ask, then automatically you will do that. Okay, like to become Canada plus good job, it's very easy. In the Canada, crores of people are there, you will become another next person or there. So the people who are feeling big dreams in your life, already these are things achieved by crores of people. You are not only the person who is expecting, lakhs crores of people already enjoying these things. You are eligible to enjoy, believe yourself, definitely it is going to be happen. Oh, are you in the position to understand? Getting right? That's why if you want anything, definitely it is going to be happen. If you want anything, definitely it will be happen. It will be happen. But only thing is, with a strong desire, pratitna, sankalpa, you have to do that. Okay, celebrate that. Okay, Yeah, here just I told, right, better to prepare some small mantra, better to prepare some small mantra, and better to repeat that mantra multiple times. Yeah, getting clear, right? I hope. So dreaming yourself, dreaming to fulfill your wishes, dreaming to fulfill your what we call goals, not that much difficult. It is a very, very easy. Crores of people already reached that level. Okay, in India, 130 crores of people are there. Among that, minimum 10 to 15 crores of people are having already their own house. Are 15 crores of people are already having their own house. Why you are not eligible for that? Definitely you are eligible. So soon, definitely you will reach that position. The people who are dreaming about own house, the people who want to start a software company, are crores of people already there. In Hyderabad, the minimum 10 lakh software companies are there. In Pune, around lakhs of software companies are there. Oh, then these many things are there. These many people are already doing. So your life will become very easy because you are not required to start from the scratch, because the remaining people are already doing what they are doing. Analyze, better to bring, better to implement, copy paste. Automatically you will reach that level. Correct, right? So forget about sadness, forget about, okay, what we call forget about sadness, sad feeling, crying, these type of negative energy things. Better to remove, better to inject in your body happiness, goals. Okay, like these type of words, definitely you are going to achieve. Okay, so with the what we call believe yourself, definitely you are going to reach that level. Celebrate yourself. Clear, right? All the people are in the position to understand. Okay, remove the negative energy from your body, remove that sadness feeling from your body. Okay, believe with pleasant mind. Yeah, I'm going to do this one. I'm feeling very happy because I'm going to do this one. Okay, the things which are going to be acceptable in your life, which are going to be possible in your life, yes, better to think, better to keep those things as small goals. Okay, for the 6 months, next 6 months I want to do this one, or for this month, this is small activity I want to do by end of this month. Okay, like better to keep small goals, short term goals, big goals, long term goals. Definitely you can enjoy every minute of your life. That's what I'm going to tell. Clear, right? So I want something. So there are n number of people already used, sir, this is my dream, this is my goal, this is my goal, this is my goal, like okay, like sir, can you please, are you getting the feeling that definitely you are going to achieve this one? Are you getting the feeling that definitely you are going to achieve this one? Yeah, are you do you are you getting the feeling definitely I'm going to achieve this one? Can you please type yes or no? Yes or no? Can you please type? Okay, the person who is typing yes, you are eligible to achieve that. The person who is not having the dare to type yes, then universe won't provide that thing for you. Remember that. Okay, first believe yourself, definitely it's going to be happen. If you are not going to believe, how the things are going to be happen, man? Okay, yes, someone is telling, Nag is telling yes, yes. Okay, yes, I already used this and got my dreams. Yes, I'm having my dreams. I succeeded multiple times with this dreaming approach. Dream yourself, celebrate yourself, talk about the same multiple times. Getting right? Okay, clear. That's all. So if you want anything, definitely you will get that. Okay, but only thing is you have to dream like I told. Yeah, definitely you are going to believe. Definitely you people are going to believe. Yes, whatever you are dreaming is going to be fulfilled. First you have to believe yourself. So whatever your dreams, already crores of people already did. Okay, universe may laugh, array this person, okay, having this type of small goals. Getting right, universe may feel a bit laugh, may feel laugh. Array, this person want to become owner of software company. I thought that this person is going to do more than that. More than that, because already crores of people are doing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, right, sir. Thank you. So if you are going to achieve something, definitely better to share with me.